Hello everybody, this is day number 25 of our Couch to Handstand 30-day challenge. I'm Natalie, I teach the art of hand balancing, and if this is the first video that you see, go back to session number 1 and meet us again after almost 4 weeks of practice. Let's try and repeat what we did from last session and the little successes that we had there with kicking up against the wall. Step by step is how we're taking everything here in these 30 days. And with 30 little steps, you will have walked a very long way at the end of this month. So just for a change, let's start with warming up and activating the core. So meet me here on the mat on your back. Let's tap the ankles for 20, tap the knees for 10, diagonal for 10, cycling for 20. Let's do it. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Tap the knees and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Diagonal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Deep breath in. Deep breath out. Lift the knees and touch the mat for 21, 2, 3, 4. Push the lower back into the ground. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, left leg long on the mat. Pull the right knee towards you. And press the heel up towards the ceiling. Support your leg here a little bit. Really lock the knee out. Let's hold it for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Pulse towards you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Lower the leg, left knee up towards the chest. Pull it gently towards you. And enjoy this moment of release here. At the same time, still active through the leg on the floor. Don't allow the knee on the floor to lift off. Straighten the leg, drive the heel up towards the ceiling and support your leg here. Maybe your leg has to be here. And hold it here for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Pulse it towards you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, lower the leg down. Excellent. Now meet me here. Fingers facing towards you. Lift the hips high up. Hold it with me here for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Lift the hips higher. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Lower it down. Fingers facing diagonally outwards. Lift the chest. Hold it here with me. Breathe. Fan the fingers out a bit more. And release. Okay, let's take the first plank position of the day to prepare our core for weightlifting, weight bearing and weightlifting. And step the feet together, pull the navel up towards the spine, hold it here with me for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and lower it down. Let's just circle the wrists, really engaging the fingers, fanning the fingers out here, kind of like describing as if you're sort of sliding your fingers along a big ball. Really fanning them out, circling them in all directions, one way and then the other. Okay, great. Let's lift the arms up and elevate for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Push out as much as you can. Hold it for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Let's do this again. Remember, you can sit cross-legged if you want to, or any other way. Lift the arms up and elevate for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hold it here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and relax. Now, from here, let's elevate the hips and skip for 20 as we did a couple of sessions ago. Align the shoulders with the wrists here, and every time you skip, try to create a sense of suspension here, yeah? Try and really make sure you're taking weight on your arms. And 1. Let's do this for 20. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Come down. Deep breath in, deep breath out. One more time, deep breath in, deep breath out. These exercises are not as easy as they look. One more time. Elevate the hips. And let's skip for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, excellent, great, very good. Very good. Meet me again against the wall for a stretch and a kick and a jump. Let's press again the hands into the wall and lower the shoulders here, just for a quick shoulder opening. And breathe. Try and go a little bit deeper. And come back. Okay, let's kick and jump and place the hands. But first, again, let's remind ourselves where the placement of the hands is. This is the placement here for the hands. Yeah, just a couple of times. Step into it. And again, 4 more times. And place. And place. And place. And one more. Place. So from here, let's just do the very basic one. The very basic one of kick and a jump while having the hands here in place against the wall, yeah? Kick and a jump for 5 and kick and a jump. 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, let's change legs. This is your chance now here to really drive the foot high up. We're not touching the wall yet. It's just kick and a jump. And kick and a jump. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and come back up. So remember, it's crucial here now that you keep your elbows locked out. Remember, the exit route here, your safety net, is the leg that jumps, the one that's coming off the floor last. That is your safety net, and that's what you're going to come down on if you can't hold this. So let's now just drive the foot up and touch for 2 sets of 5. Twice as much drive with the leg that's kicking up, twice as much jump. We don't touch the wall with the head, really elevate the shoulders. Let's go for 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5. Okay. Deep breath in, deep breath out. Deep breath in, deep breath out. Straight away again, let's do it. Place the hands correctly, drive the foot up, touch for 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5. Okay, great. So now let's take it one step further and see if we can lift that bottom leg up a little bit higher. So we're not really quite closing yet. Yeah, you really just want to touch and have a sense of suspension while that bottom leg lifts a little bit higher. Have a look before you try. So kick in a bit higher. Yeah, so that bottom leg now just goes up a little bit higher. First, touch and then a bit higher. Touch and a bit higher. That's all. Tomorrow we're going to try and close. Today, let's just see if we can maintain the rhythm of touching the wall and lifting the leg up a little bit higher. Just that. Let's try 5 and 5. Just that. Okay? Let's do it. And kick and lift a bit higher. Don't stick your head out. Kick and a bit higher. Elevate the shoulders, lock the elbows out. 3 and 4 and 1 more. Kick and a bit higher. Okay, excellent. So don't worry if it takes you a little bit longer than when I do it here. I kind of try and by example make you get used to doing this in a regular rhythm. But if you need a bit longer to do this, then don't worry, because it's going to settle in after a while. And this rhythm here is a useful guideline. Let's do this again for 5. So remember, you want to round your upper back, push into the floor, touch and lift the leg a little bit higher. Kick in a bit higher. And touch in a bit higher. And 3. And 4. And 5. Okay, excellent. Very good. Now let's not forget about our halfway handstands and against the wall. Let's do 2 sets of 20 seconds to finish off this practice session. So find your positioning here for the hands on the floor. Lift one foot up and make the other one join here. Stay here for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And come down. Deep breath in, deep breath out. Let's do this one more time. Deep breath in, deep breath out. Okay, let's not take a long break, but do this straight away. Again, legs up on the wall. Let's stay here for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Come down, slowly roll up, find your way to standing. Meet me here. Standing, let's roll the shoulders backwards just to give them a little bit of a cool down. To the front. And step your legs apart here. Let's swing from side to side. And now take one arm across here, pull it towards you. Press the shoulder away from the ear. And the other arm. Take the arm across, pull it towards you, press the shoulder away from the ear. And release. Now pulse your palm again 10 times towards you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Press into the palm of your thumb, into the base of the thumb, base of your palm. Massage the hand and again pulse the hand towards you for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Press into the base of your thumb here, massage your palm. And here the connecting part between hand and wrist. And rub the base of your wrist here together where the wrist meets the hand, and a bit faster and a bit faster. And stay here. Feel the heat that has built up between the hands and separate them. And shake your hands. That's it for today's practice. Tomorrow we'll almost be in a handstand. Thank you for practicing with me. I hope I'll see you again tomorrow. Let me know how this went for you and whether you had a success or whether you found this difficult. And have a great rest of the day.